Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create pin for Facebook Messenger. So if you also want to create pin for Facebook Messenger, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So the pin for Facebook Messenger is used to access your end-to-end encrypted chat history and access your personal messages from other devices. If you saved your chats in secure storage from Messenger, you can restore your chats on a new device with this pin. So if you want to create this pin, for that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Messenger application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Messenger has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the chats interface. So in order to create the pin, what you have to do is tap on the menu option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the menu interface. In this interface you'll be able to find several options. Right under your profile you'll be able to find the option for settings. So all you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to access the settings options from here. In this interface what you have to do is scroll down. Now in the preferences section at fourth you'll be able to find the option for privacy and safety. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the privacy and safety interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Over here, you'll be able to find the section for security. In this section, at second, you'll be able to find the option for end-to-end encrypted chats. So all you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the end-to-end encrypted chats interface. You'll be able to find the options like message storage, security alerts, etc. So simply tap on the first option, that is message storage. Now you'll be led to the message storage interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the sections for chat history, how you restore your chat history, manage secure storage, etc. In this section for how you restore your chat history, you'll be able to find the option for reset pin. If you haven't created the pin yet, you might also be able to find the option for create pin. So all you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to create your 6-digit pin. Simply enter the 6-digit pin over here. Now you'll have to confirm your pin, re-enter the pin, wait for a while. Now you can see over here the pin has been created. So that is how you create pin for Facebook Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.